Kenreu perangut ki samla pule ka Synod College ki bala pendap haka postgraduate haka education but political science menegasngi ka laitarik unai wing yang usnem hajar rusan kisya pynkup burom hadin bakila pendap ya ka master degree kabalong kum si benta ka jingla jungki panjampat sya uwai umau ma haka jing pule jungki Haga negasni lawan banyadon bentalang dau MLA jongka nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds M ubalong kongsan bad haba ajing keren uba Meral Bon ulaong bagajing pendep ya ka postgraduate kamdai ka jingkut Henry kadai ka jing sedang kajing yai lenti ban penulong ya ka jing po sneu jongki bad kajing angnut kabaki lapan krek Nalor kata ula ongru baka graduation day kadai kasngi bakin nang ban ken mau bat singongo kasngi ban ken mau ya ka jingkmen kadai ru kasngi bakin ken mau ya kijing baki layak lengba ha kijing pule jongki bat baki la job ya kita kijing jongki Hagane kasngi lai don lang da ka principal ka college nalol u president jong ka governing body u professor sungo lembat ki samla pule bat ki wei ayo ru ya ka jingkren na ka samla iban kenteu nong bat ka samla pule ka balayo ya ka fifth position haka education haka jo por u kongsan ula pelaj pat ba ya ka kod ka bala kerteng empowering education for development of India
where we had an opportunity to meet young students who have just completed your postgraduate. As the principal have rightly mentioned in her opening speech, that the graduation day and the PG day that we have had, it is a day of joy, it is a day of happiness, it is a day that all together, all of us also we cherish together on this beautiful day. Congratulations to each and every one of you. And this is the beginning of the journey ahead. That you have to fulfill the dream and aspiration of your parents, especially of yourself. I cannot forget the fact that when we talk about the dream and aspiration, I'm not wrong to say that each and every one of us are present here within this auditorium. We have a dream to become someone. There's nothing new to each and every one of us. And it's not bad also to dream to become someone. We have to be very optimistic in our life. And it is important that each and every one of you are here today because of your ambitions to become someone. You have to be ambitious, and sometimes you have to be very careful. Don't be over ambitious, over confident of yourself. In the present day generation, in the world is full of challenges to take and take. We have to travel in various professions that we have to serve in our state and our country. We face challenges. But we should not forget the fact that the dream and aspiration that we have, we should fulfill it fully. We are blessed in this country that we have a very beautiful constitution that has been bestowed upon each and every one of us as citizens of India. Especially the student of political science, my left or my right political science, especially student of political science will be very much aware about various sections, various chapters within our constitution. And we are happy to see and to witness that all those dreams and aspirations of our forefathers, it has been addressed and fulfilled. We are here as students came from various backgrounds, from various communities, from various districts of the state, from various religious backgrounds.
In 2023, we all walk through the gates of this institution with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. But during this past 2 years, through God's blessings, we have made a remarkable journey of learning and growth. Graduation is not the end of a tough journey. It is the beginning of a beautiful future. It is indeed a great pleasure to stand before you and share some precious moments we spent in our college for the past 2 years. Today, we gather to celebrate a milestone in our academic journey. I stand here on behalf of all the students with mixed emotions, excitement for the future, nostalgia for the past, and gratitude for the present. To our beloved teachers, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude. Your guidance, support, and love have been the pillars of our growth. You have challenged us to push beyond our limits, encouraged us to explore new horizons, and inspired us to become better versions of ourselves. Your passion for teaching has ignited the spark within us, and we will carry it forward for years to come. Your dedication, patience, and kindness have made a lasting impact on our lives. From late night study sessions to endless feedback on our assignments, especially with our dissertation work, you have been there for us every step of the way. Your love and support have given us the confidence to pursue our dreams, and we are what we are today because of your support and guidance and because of God's protection. To my dear fellow graduates, we have made it. We have navigated the ups and downs of academic life, and we have emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient. We have formed unbreakable bonds, created unforgettable memories, and discovered a true potential. As we embark on this new chapter, let us stay true to our values, keep our curiosity alive, and continue to grow. Let us make a mark on the world and make a family and college proud. Thank you, teachers, for being more than just educators. You have been a mentor